Banner stand assembly instructions. Lay the banner on the floor face down. Remove the frame from the carry bag and inspect all the pieces. Make sure the frame is properly assembled as shown. Check the bottom brackets and make sure they are facing forward. Next, install the L brackets to the black poles. Check the banner so you know which side is the top. Insert the poles into the grommet holes at the top of the banner. Next, insert the black poles into the top of the frame as shown. Make sure they are completely inserted. At the bottom, open the frame and pull the banner down to insert the bottom brackets. Carefully pull the banner so the banner does not wrinkle. You are done. Carefully stand the banner and you're all set to attract customers into your store.